In this business, I see colors all day. But the object of the game with these wraps is to be different. Let people know how you get down. Let them know what color makes you. Today's project, we got a Dodge Ram pickup truck. Now this is a 1500, so that's a big one. A lot of work to do. The color that's on here currently, I'm not a fan of it, but obviously somebody is. But we're gonna hit it with the vinyl wrap, and the vinyl wrap's only gonna protect it. Whatever color it is they choose, it's gonna protect it. If you're a fan of this, rock it. If not, here at New Touch Auto, we can give you a new look. Now, like I said, we're gonna hit it with the vinyl wrap. We've already started with the emblems. We have to remove the side mirror, door handle, things to that nature, just to make it easier for us to wrap this truck. Now, the new color we're gonna hit it with, it's like a Nardo gray finish. But the twist, here's the twist. It has a blue tint to it. So it's definitely gonna give it that new look. I love the color changes because the color changes are one of a kind. Not too many people you're gonna find with that color. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Take you along for the ride. This is not a tutorial, only a motivational video to show you exactly what you can do to your vehicle to make it stand out. Let's go. So that concludes the end of the video. That's it. And what I like to do at the end is go around the vehicle to show you exactly how we changed up this truck's look. Let's go. So here we got the Dodge Ram pickup truck. Not much needed to do, but we hit it with a new color. The color before, I wasn't a fan of it, but obviously somebody was. But this here is different. This here is dreamy. I'm talking about, man, that's mesmerizing because this color is actually two colors. It has a light blue tint, but the actual color and base is Nardo gray. Now this is a vinyl wrap, so therefore that finish is pretty much immaculate. That's a PET film. So therefore, we don't have no orange peel look. We take it around, and as mentioned, we didn't do too much because that chrome pretty much set it out. It matches up well with this color because the color gives off that chrome look. So we got the chrome still out. We take it all the way around, and we actually spray wrap the door handles. The door handles we spray wrap because it's kind of difficult to pretty much wrap that, but it's possible. It's possible if you want to wrap it. That's your choice. But we spray wrap that, satin black. And on the mirrors, we kind of did something different that none of these trucks have because we really wanted to stand out. We take it around, everything is pretty much solid. Solid look, solid transition. But to the backside, everything makes sense. And at the end of the day, that's the objective. Make it make sense. Because too many colors will actually throw off that vision that you seek for your vehicle. Here at New Touch Auto, that's what we like to do. We like to make you stand out from the rest. Now with this color right here, that's very unique. So tell me what you think in the comments. Give me a scale of 1 to 5. If you love this color, if you just like it, or you don't care for it. Let me know what you think. My subscribers, I really appreciate you. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. Hit that subscribe button down below. I'll catch y'all on the next video.